Big Bird's Talent, a Fable story by Jabriel Dailo. One day, in the village of Sesame, there are five groups dividing the town, and one human-like bird. The dogs, the cats, the grasshoppers, the ants, and the birds are the five villagers. And Big Bird is the human-like creature. They are arguing who should lead the village. We should lead the village because we are man's best friend. We bark, we rescue people. Dogs shouted. No, we have 9 lives. We are flexible and cutest of all the animals in this village. Cat said with confidence. Nah, no one can hop more than kilometers of us, Grasshopper answered. We are the strongest in this village. Is there anyone here can lift 5 times their weight? No one, except us, debated by the ants. We have sharp eyes and can fly as high as the airplane. That can anyone else cannot do in this village. We should be the leader. Angry Bird shouted. While they are arguing, Big Bird is just listening to them. He doesn't have any talent, not like other villagers in Sesame. He doesn't want to be a leader nor follower of the village. Suddenly, the five villagers look at him and waiting for his answer. He got nervous but able to think about what should be his answer. We have different kinds of talent and abilities. Some can fly, can hop or bark, have enormous strength, and some are flexible. Why not just be united and use our differences to have a better village? Look at me. I cannot distinguish myself as a bird because I can't fly. I am not even a human. But I am here living in this village and just wanted to have peace and wish to have the respect for each other's differences. The five villagers become silent and think about what Big Bird stated. After a few minutes, the five villagers agreed to Big Bird and they lived peacefully in the village of Sesame. However, Big Bird is still sad. He still doesn't know his talent and envy with them. Why are you still sad? The ant and grasshopper said. I don't know my talent, not like the five of you. Big Bird said with sadness. Isn't it obvious that your talent is to spread love and peace with others? Dogs and cats stated. You unite us, birds added. Big Bird smiled because he was able to find his talent. Moral of the story: no gender, culture, race, or ability can separate us. We are all human and should be united and equal to each other.